I am not in my private jet. I'm in your next limousine. I mean, RV. What's up? It's Chris Young, seated in the cab of the brand new, awesome, and trust me, this one's going to be a doozy. This is the Thor Freedom Mover PX10. This Super Bee comes in at 22 feet 10 inches, but because it's called the PX10, I'm gonna call it the Party Times 10 because this is your party bus. If you've been looking for that transport vehicle that can move the kids to the travel ball games, you love just going to tailgate, maybe it's visiting the family but you don't need to stay over, maybe it's that all-day concert series where you're gonna be coming back, this is your coach because you got space for 6 with seat belts, you got an awesome entertainment system with TV, movie time for the kids, but you also have a kitchen as well as a bathroom, and if the little one needs to take a nap, I got a spot for him to sleep as well, all in a Class B on a Ford Transit chassis. Now, I need to tell you about the Transit chassis before we get on to this. I just finished not that long ago doing a comparison between our Class B chassis, the Ram, the Sprinter Mercedes, and the Ford Transit. The Ford Transit outperformed everybody else. I think it's got awesome pep. Sure, it doesn't have the quality features that you're gonna get with Mercedes, but you get some awesome upgraded premium features in the Transit, and it didn't have the turning radius of the Ram, but it still outperformed great. You got the 3.5 liter V6 engine. We are seated on the 350 HD chassis, and the People Mover, the PX10, comes in either all-wheel drive or comes in rear-wheel drive. I actually got both of them sitting side by side. That's the only difference is going to be that drivetrain. But up front, you're going to have the tilted telescoping steering wheel. I got my HUD up here for my info, and this also does come with the Ford Sync 4 program. So if you're looking for the Apple CarPlay, the Android Auto, you're going to have it there. It also has tons of great safety features like lane assist, crash early detection and braking system. I mean, rain sensing, side sensing. There's a great amount of features when you're talking about the Ford Transit and what they build. I get storage up here for the day games when we want to go, AC controls for my passengers in the back, as well as the molded dash for my cups and my AC controls for here, even some charging. And you see these seats? These are premium seats. Look at this quilted stitching that we have in here. And I really like how we can get either the dark with the black or the white interior. So you got both options on your People Mover. I happen to be a fan of the black. Even though it's a lot hotter, especially like we out in the sun, it just looks clean, man. It looks good and clean. So the captain and the co-captain are not only gonna be comfortable, they're gonna be driving in some style and some awesome safety and technology with every feature and amenity that I could hope for when I'm taking the family or the loved ones to either the ball game, the all-day concert, whatever. I got it here. But where does the Party 10 really kick in? Let me show you. Okay, so here we are in one of the 6 seats that are gonna be in your People Mover. And this is what I'm talking about with the Party Wagon. Now, hopefully you can kind of see what the LED lights are doing up top. We have it set to kind of the party mode because you obviously want to entertain your folks while you're traveling down the road, especially if you're going to be doing those ball games, you're going to be doing the tailgating, going to the football games, baseball games, basketball, concerts, whatever. I got the 32-inch smart TV up front and the JBL sound system in this, including the Aura Cube as well as a subwoofer, all of which I can control. What's nice about that is a lot of times when you do get the Aura Cube with the subwoofer inside of an RV, you can't really control the bass or you can't really control that subwoofer. I have those controls right back here. But then add it to the fact that I'm sitting in style and all your passengers not only have the seat belts, the comfortable captain and co-captain's chairs with the adjustable headrests, they all have a cup holder with LED lighting, USB charging, a spot for my celly, and even 110 plugs. So I could bring my laptop and get some work done. So if you think about it, if you're an enterprising individual that maybe has something like an Uber business and you want to help businesses transport people that are coming in from the airport back to the offices, this will seat 6. They got entertainment, they got spots for their cups, they even have a sink and bathroom, which we're going to get to here in a minute. I got storage up top, and everything looks and feels like a luxury private liner jet. From my solid wood inlay here with the LED backlighting as well as the 4K blade strip to my suspension ropes that I have right here in my carpeted storage bins up top. For a RV that's not really meant to stay overnight, having this much storage space and the layout, I thought, they did a really good job with. Obviously, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. We still have the standard safety features, the slip-resistant upgraded flooring. My chairs also tilt as well as swivel. You can move them back and forth. And if you got that one person that wants to be antisocial, pretty much like Ryan, then they have a spot right back here to sit, which now takes my seating from 2, 4, 6 up to 8. And I'm not gonna lie, I curl up in a ball when I sleep, so I would probably nap right here. But I want you to picture yourself doing this. If you've ever had to take your children to a game or take the family members to an event, or you wanted to go to that all-day concert, but you wanted to come back and take a break. Your car, your truck, whatever you got there in, probably didn't have a sink. Let's say you wanted to make the kids some lunch. I got storage space. I got a microwave right here so I could heat something up. I got an undermounted sink, solid surface countertops, cutting board cover, and then just to help keep things a little bit cleaner, they even gave me a pull-down sprayer faucet over here. Now, I do have the 110-volt mini fridge. Right here isn't really storage. This is access to your fresh water tank. Because yes, you do have a 10-gallon fresh water tank on this one, 7-gallon gray tank, and a 4.5-gallon black tank because you got the cassette toilet back there. But just the fact that I have that all in a coach that's 22 feet 10 inches, I am now combining some of the best parts of an RV with the best parts of a people mover. And that's really what the Freedom Mover is all about, getting you and your loved ones to that event safely, in style, with some features and amenities that you need without having to stay over if you don't have to. But if you do need to stay over, you got a little bit of an option here, so let's check that out. By the way, did you see the little JBL speakers on the back wall with the LED backlighting? Those weren't just sconces, those were speakers. I mean, come on, dude. This is a luxury limo for crying out loud. And I'm on the Ford Transit chassis. Okay, so the rear of the PX10 is a multi-use space. And here's what I mean by that. It's great for storage. You see how I have these little suspension nets that will allow me to hold things. I have shelves that fold up and down. I have power as well as the light controls. I got a max vent fan, that's a 12 blade, so that's gonna move about a foot of air per second. Then over here, I have more storage options, but what's cool about this, let's say the little one maybe needs to take a nap, okay? Or you just wanna knock out. Sure, it's not the biggest bed in the world, but it's a bed. I got USB charging, I got the fan. How many limos you know have a bunk? And I'm gonna keep calling this a limo. Chris, that's a Super B. That's a, mini Class C or a Class B. No, son, this is a limo. As in, oh my God, who stole the keys? Because I wanna take it with me when I go. I can just picture myself and my son. Holy smokes, if I'd have had this when he was playing sports, wow. You talk about making those trips so much better. Then when I wanna go back to making this a bathroom, you got the locks right here with the adjuster track for your suspension holders on your storage bins. Lift this up. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove the privacy shield. And now you have yourself a cassette toilet and your toilet paper holder right there. Close it down. Now it just becomes storage. And they even thought of the privacy. So if you don't want people to just see a toilet back here, you can cover it up with the curtains and the hangers. What else you need? Fresh tank fill, closed off. Oh, you haven't seen the outside of it, have you? You remember how I said we're going in style? Yeah, this gorgeous interior is only half. Let me show you the other. Welcome to your luxury trip, my friend. This is one that when my boss told me Thor was gonna make it, I'm not gonna lie to you, I thought, how are they gonna make that work? Boy, did they. Kudos to the team at Thor. You did a wonderful job with this. Just take a look at this Ford Transit that we're sitting on. Now, like I mentioned, one is all-wheel drive, one is rear-wheel drive. That's the only difference you're gonna find is gonna be that drivetrain. There's no difference in the interiors. Obviously, the all-wheel drive will be a little bit more expensive, but if you do plan on going off-grid, you have that option to upgrade. Plus, I got the invisible shield on this. They have that special paint coating that protects that front. So it's Thor, so it's gonna be built well, it's gonna look really well. I got the oversized heated mirrors. I got the all-terrain tires, the blackout midnight rims, gorgeous frameless windows, blacked out, giving you some privacy. So if you do want to just be jamming out inside of there, you're going down the road and nobody knows that your favorite song is Popcorn. And you know exactly what I'm talking about. Come back here. You do have a 6,000-pound hitch. So if you do need to tow another vehicle, by all means, you got it. Backup camera is there. Gorgeous profile on the black as well. Come around to the side. Right here is our 30-amp cord. You'll also see that we got the dually in the back. Fuel tank access is here. And since it is the Ford and you're on the 3.5-liter V6 engine, you have a 31-gallon gas tank on both of these, both the rear-wheel drive and the all-wheel drive. But you can even see here on the interior, there's no difference. The only thing I really didn't point out on the inside were the cassette shades that we had there. But hopefully you can see in here that when you want them down, you got tremendous visibility right there. But you do have some privacy. Just bring up those shades, throw on the little suspension cord. But for a coach that's 22 feet, 10 inches, can carry 8. This is one that it's not an RV. It's not really just a regular old van. It's a combination of the best of both worlds. Sure, it doesn't have a full-size bed in there, but if you're traveling with the family, you got the small kids, one of them needs to take a nap, but you know you got to be out here for this event all day, whatever it is, or you just want to go tailgate somewhere, or just spend the day at the Bullnose, where everybody's going to be swimming in the Quarry Lake. Man alive, what a great option to come back here, make some lunch, give a chance to have your own bathroom so you're not using public bathrooms, and get cleaned up, and somebody can take a nap if they want to, and you're traveling in style. I see tremendous business applications for this. I see tremendous personal applications for this. My question is, what's your application for it? Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of the Thor Freedom Mover, the PX10, both in rear wheel and all-wheel drive, gorgeous coaches, probably one of my favorites. So come at me and let me know what you think. rv.campingworld.com if you want to pick it up, or just come on into your local Camping World. But please like, subscribe, and notify if you got anything from this video. I'm Chris Young. Hope to see you soon. More importantly, let me know what adventures you're going to take on that.